I'm Altaf Delia Alberto. My husband is Mr. Nasser Altaf, and this passed away last 2024, last year, November 4. Then I came here because for the properties, we belongs to us and my kids.
How this property belongs to you or
Because
your husband?
yes, he's my husband. Then he will make a last will and testament. What will happen to him? The properties here in Milat Garden, they give to his daughter and son. I have that all papers. And the all documents on the papers of the Milat Garden, I have take. That's why we came here to talk to Mr. Danis Altaf and his wife to because this is a family problem. But nothing to talk. That is got fire me in the
Who fired
front.
you?
Danis Altaf.
Why?
Because of that property. They said that that property is mine and his wife.
And what you say, they will occupy your property, your husband's property.
No, I said that is my husband property. It's belong to my kids. I have all the original papers. Then I have all. It is because it's my husband. My husband is passed away. Then that property is becoming to my kids.
What your husband was doing?
Where in Japan?
Yes.
Yeah, before is welder. Then because he got sick, then he take his own car shop, company, little bit company. Yeah,
How many kids you have?
two girls
Both
and
are here.
boys.
Both are here with you.
Yes, on that time we were together in front of my kids, in front of my grandchild. He fired me, and then in front of my father-in-law, my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, all the in the front of the whole family, he fired me in the front of my house.
Where are you from originally?
Came from Philippines. I'm a Philippine, but I'm living in resident in Japan. We are all living in Japan. We're going come here because of that property, because of my husband is passed away. Mm.
After this bad incident, police was cooperate with you.
Sometimes they cooperate with me, but I don't know too much. My head is because of my accident. I'm got a shock. Then I'm afraid because if Mr. Danes Altab is on outside, my family and my life is a very dangerous. That's why I want to get the ano go to jail and take justice for my justice. Mm.
You talking about property. How much is this worth of in Millet Gardens property?
This is a 120 square meters. First, me and my husband buy that flat. Then my husband build a house.
Okay.
Then Mr. Danis Altaf, he is present for the he said to my because of my husband had a lungs sick. Then the doctor said much better to the lungs transplant from your family. That's why Mr. Danis Altaf just to ano ask okay, I donate you the lungs. Then Mr. Danis Altaf going to Japan on our place. He lived there 6 months. Oh.
नहीं 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 recording.
Okay. Okay.
Tell me about the what rupees of your property in nowadays.
Ano ni?
250 million. इनको बता
250,
देना.
yeah. Because that's a big house there.
250 million. 4 story है ना, तो इस वजह से.
Ah, then that house is too much.
250 million.
250. That expense 250 million rupees.
Okay. Now, what you need to support from Karachi police or Pakistan government?
I want to I want to support to Pakistan government for my life. It's so very dangerous from now. Then I want to support because of our family. It's a very dangerous now. I want to support. Please help me. Police help me and that situation. Please, the government of the Pakistan.
Do you have a dual nationality, Philippine and Japan, or a single?
No, I have Philippine nationality. Mm.
Oh, okay.
I'm a Philippine passport.
Okay.
Mm. Yeah, I am a permanent resident in Japan. I have a residence card.
Okay.